Hey guys, so I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna start this video off and I'm gonna tell you guys I am so sick and tired of being and looking so wretched. Oh my god, I look so bad. But I am going to try to do a day in the life kind of productive day type of, I don't even know what this gonna be named, but I'm I'm gonna try to get it done. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try to fix myself up, you know what I'm saying, because I need to do something with my hair. I'm not natural, I don't want to be natural, but I do want to let my hair grow enough so that I could perm it and, you know, and it can start back growing, because I'm over this look myself. So first thing I'm gonna do is wash my hair and try to slick it down or something, because the fro, I'm over the fro. I have a doctor's appointment Wednesday, and I don't know exactly what's gonna happen at that doctor's appointment. I just know it's, you know, it's an OB appointment. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna take you guys with me while I try to prepare this head. Conditioner and shampoo. It's only $1 at the dollar store. It's gonna do good for my hair, I hope. I got this olive oil styling gel. This is what I'm gonna slick my hair down with. After I finish washing, I'm gonna put some mousse on it, and this just is some mousse I think I got from the dollar store as well. And let's get started. So guys, the ones that know about textures of hair, you guys can tell that this did not come out the way that I thought it was going to come out. So I'm probably going to have to perm it just to get the results that I'm looking for. But I did go ahead and put the rag on it, and it did slick down some more. But it did not come out the way that I expected it, but it'll do for now. So this is actually later on in the day. I am just going to go ahead and start on supper for tonight. I am cooking a big pot of jambalaya, and I'm adding shrimp and sausage in it. And I have posted my 3-week meal ideas over on my Instagram. So if any of you need ideas on what to cook for your family, you can go ahead and check that out. If it's not still on my story, you can check it out in my thumbnail that I made down in the food in the cooking section. So it'll be up there if you guys need any ideas on something that you need to cook for the family. I know that a lot of times it's hard to make the decisions, and then you have to also take out all of the meat and let it thaw out. So just so you can be prepared for whatever you decide to make, you can have that idea. And also, if you guys have any ideas on what you may want to cook or some suggestions, can you please drop them down in the comment box for us to see? I'm sure that a lot of people will appreciate that. So if you have any suggestions, just drop them down in the comment box.
in and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older.
Also, guys, I want to add this as a side note. I am learning how to edit on my MacBook. So if you see any glitching or anything in my videos, I apologize about that. I'm trying to learn how to get that out of my videos. I know that I can see it, and I know you guys can see it, and I hope that it doesn't irritate you so badly that you dislike the video, guys. I'm trying. I usually edit. Well, I edit on my computer and then I go over to my phone and edit. I finish editing from my phone and I get the glitching out from my phone, but I'm having problems airdropping my videos to my phone, so I'm trying to learn how to do this on my MacBook. So just bear with me, guys.
Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times, set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. Fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking.
So one of the things I wanted to organize better was the drawer that I use for my clothes. And what I'm going to use is the KonMari method. I'm just going to organize my t-shirts and my jeans and tights and everything a little better than what it is. Every time I get ready to find something, I can't really find what I'm looking for, so I just settle on something. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that.
It's a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my lies. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. Just let me love you. 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 You on a throne, we'll put you on a throne. And I will go out on my own to see the world again. But until then,
Moving back into the kitchen, I'm going to show you guys some of the fall decorations that I put out on the table. But first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the table really good. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I decorated for fall.
Just let me love you. 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 Just let me love you.
Alright y'all, so I'm gonna show you a few new pieces that I picked up. We're gonna start with this tray right here. I picked up from Burke's Outlet, and it was $5 to $7, $7 I think. But it's an extra large tray, and I know I needed something to put my remotes in, so I picked up this. And also I picked up this. This is a it's just a stand, a gold stand. Very, very pretty. It was only $19. Also, I picked up, I'm going around. I picked up both of these pillows, all four of these pillows from Burke's Outlet, $14.99, and then these was a two set for $19.99. I already had this one. It's just a pillow cover. It's actually just a pillow cover, but I picked up this from Burke's Outlet as well, and it was only $10. Moving on over, I needed some new picture frames for my kids' pictures. I picked these up. They was only $5 a piece. I picked this new vase up. I guess you put a candle in it, but I just put a speaker inside of it. It's really, really pretty. $14.99. I think, or was it $13.99? One of them. And that's about all. We actually put the mirror on the wall that needs to be cleaned out. My kids keep on putting their handprints in. Okay, so I took the pillows off the sofa and just put them on the floor. I thought they looked really nice just laying there. Okay, now we're moving on to the candle holders that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby right now, if you guys don't know, has a 40% off a fall sale, and this was under the fall decorations. They were originally $19.99, and as you can see, I got the same size for both of them, and I paid $11 for both of them. Well, 11 a piece. These candles smell so good. Colonial candle, and it's the cinnamon caramel. I picked them up from Burke Outlet. They were $5 a piece. These are the jars that was at Hobby Lobby for 40% off. The flowers are from the Dollar Tree. I just picked the jars up and I just put some arrangements in there. But they are some really pretty jars. This one also has an arrangement. And I don't remember how much they were, but they weren't that high. But they were on sale for 40% off as well. Thankful sign come from Hobby Lobby, 40% off. It was a pretty nice sign, and I like it because I can use it for different seasons like Christmas and stuff. And also these candle holders, I want to use that for Christmas, my Christmas decorations as well. I would just change the candles out, and yeah, that's how they look. So I took the other signs off. These signs right here. I did see this wreath that I want to put on. Is it a collar wreath or it's called I think it's called a wreath. The long thing that goes around. It was also at Hobby Lobby. I may go back and get it. May just wait to find something else, but it was really pretty. I wanted to put it right here, but I did not get it. Maybe next time. But I'm just gonna show you guys the finished result of cleaning the living room. So I think everything ties together really nicely. I think this thing ties together really nicely in here because it actually matches the new stuff that I put over this side.
When I go back, I want to, but time carries on. We grew up too soon. Wanted to stay that way forever. Oh, I never thought this day would come. I got defeated by the stars.
Get a few more pieces because I did want to find like 2 pumpkins to go down here at the bottom. So we'll see. This is the kitchen fall decorations. I already had this. As you know, it come off of my living room entertainment center. It's Thankful and Blessed. I got this last year from the Dollar General. And I got the placemats and the placemat holders from Hobby Lobby, 40% off. I think the mats are like $2 or $3, and then it's 40% off of those. And then these was a 4-pack for $10, and that was 40% as well. Got the arrangements from the Dollar Tree, pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and the little bale of hay from the Dollar Tree. This is just where I put my microwave, and I just put a pumpkin in top of a basket. I did want to try to find something to go inside that, but yeah, that's what that's looking like right now. Now I'm moving back into our bedroom, guys. This is something that I wanted to tackle for a while, and I needed to get this done. I needed to organize the closet, our bedroom closet, a little better. And although we still have a lot of stuff in here, in the end, we did get it organized, and it's a way that I can now walk inside the closet instead of having the closet blocked off. So while you're watching this, keep in mind that we know that this is not perfect. This is not a permanent solution. But for right now, this will have to work. And then later on, we'll figure out another thing on down the line. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.